What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in today's video I'm going to unbox another speaker system. It's a 5.1, but it's in the the budget segment speaker, not the hi-fi one. So here it is. This is a 5.1 and it's from TRONICA, the Indian brand. As you know, I have unboxed their product before, and they are making a good enough speaker with the affordable price. So this is another one. I have checked their boombox and tower speakers and all, but I didn't check any 5.1 of them. So this is 5.1, and you're going to unbox and check it out. I'm going to check how the 5.1 sounds. So let's open it up. Here at the top, nice foam cover, and it's useful thing. Okay, one speaker, another speaker, another one, and another two. So that's the 5 of them, the 5-channel speakers. What else is there? And one remote control and one RCA to 3mm card with some documentation. So that's it. Now let's check out the big boy. Alright, so that's all of it. So quickly let's unpack this thing and connect this thing out, and let's check the sound of it. So that's the complete setup. You can see 5 speakers and the main unit, the subwoofer. This thing is having a 4-inch driver on the right side here from the front, and these are like nice photo frame kind of speaker enclosure. You can easily mount it on the wall. You can see the keyhole is right there for the mounting, and they are very light in weight. So that's the front side. You can see the plastic finish is there, and here the plastic quality is not that much great, as I can see it right here. So the push buttons are there, USB port, gift card slot, and aux socket. The branding name TRONICA is right there. That's the main volume control, and that's the bass control. And the nice design is there with RGB lights, I guess. So that's the front. And on the right side, that's the 4-inch driver, and on the left side, as the air passing port is right there. And here, and at the back, here you can see all the connections are there. As a power cord, on-off switch, and 5.1 multimedia speaker system is written there. That's the speaker output, and that's for antenna, and that's for auxiliary right and left in. And here you can see right, left, and that's for center. So no front right, front or rear right, rear left is separately marking there. And the channel speakers, plastic build and same quality, and the speaker would be like 3-inch and very small magnet, I guess. So that's why it's very light in weight. And the front side, same design, just like the main unit. So, and all speaker cord supplied with this RCA jack, and all are of same length. No bigger length for rear speakers. But this thing is a bit of heavy. So now here you can see at the front, the RGB lights are there, nice illumination. So this thing is connected to my mobile phone right here, and now let's play the song and check the sound out. that's the sound of it without the bass. Now check out the bass. So I must say the sound is quite good and clear, of course, but the channel speakers are making more highs, like the other sound, they almost kind of tweeter, but the sound is clear and of course nice, and the bass is also good as I am listening here right now. So I'm going to give you a detailed sound test with different kind of songs later, but for now let's check some more songs. And I don't think this is actually a 5.1 because no marking is there at the rear, as I showed you before. Only RR and LL, no front right left or rear right left marking is there. So I think it's just a stereo with a center channel, I guess so. This is the center one. The center is separately marked here, the center, but other speakers are marked only RR and LL. So these two are RR and LL. So like no front and rear is there, only right channel and left channel, kind of that. I think this is actually a 3.1, but they make here as 5.1, adding two extra speakers to this thing. Well, I'm going to check it out later. I'm going to connect it to my PC. I'm going to check some Dolby trailers and all, then we can understand differentiate the sound separation between the channels. Well, I should not expect anything from this cheap budget speakers. So, but still, we're going to check that out. So let's hear some more songs and check the sound.
Too afraid to find that you change your mind from sleepless nights. Was I part of your design? No one heard my heart explode. It's a suicide dive, just knowing you die and question anything you know. Set to fire to the life we made. Such a fucking waste of time. Said you love me till my heart decays. Kiss my dying days. Touch my heart alive.
So that's the sound. It's quite good, clear enough, and good bass. Well, you cannot expect much more bass from a 4-inch driver. They could give it a like 5-inch driver for a 5.1 at least, but they gave a 4-inch woofer. It's good enough, but 5-inch would have been better. But anyway, for the price I have paid only 2,200 rupees. It's quite a good deal, and that's it. I'll give the link in the description below, so you can go there and check that out, and also check out my other channels from the description. So that's it. That's all for today. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't subscribe yet, then do subscribe to my channel right now. Click the red button right there and subscribe to my channel. That's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.